Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice algebra problem, which is x squared minus 9 divided by x minus 3. This is equal to 6. So what is the value of x? Now let's provide a solution from here. So we have x to the power of 2 minus 9 divided by x subtract 3. This is equal to 6. We have that x should not be equal to 3. Because if x is equal to 3, we'll have undefined result here. So this means we have x to the power of 2 minus 9 divided by x minus 3. This is equal to 6. 6 is a whole number, so this is over 1. So let's cross multiply from here so that we have x to the power of 2 minus 9. This is equal to 6 multiplied by x subtract 3. So this means that x to the power of 2 subtract 9, this is equal to 6 times x. This is 6x minus 6 times 3, which is 18. Now let's take 6x minus 18 on the left hand side. So we have x to the power of 2 subtract 6x, then plus 18 minus 9. This is equal to 0. So here we have x to the power of 2 minus 6x plus 18 minus 9, this is 9, and this is equal to 0. So we have that this is x to the power of 2 minus, we can express 6x as 2 times 3 times x, then plus 9, which is 3 to the power of 2. This is equal to 0. Now we have that this equation here is of the form a squared plus b squared minus 2ab. This can be expressed as a subtract b raised to the power of 2. Now applying this algebraic identity, then we have x minus 3 raised to the power of 2. This is equal to 0. Now this means that we can introduce square root sign on both sides. This is the square root of x minus 3 to the power of 2. This is equal to the square root of 0. So this means that here we have x minus 3 and this is equal to 0. So this means that x is equal to 3. We have x is equal to 3. Now let's verify if this value of x satisfies the equation. So this means that we have x to the power of 2 minus 9 divided by x subtract 3. This is supposed to give us a value of 6. Substituting x, which is 3, then this means we have 3 to the power of 2 minus 9 divided by 3 subtract 3. This should give us a value of 6. So 3 squared, this is 9 minus 9 divided by 3 subtract 3. This should give us a value of 6. So we have 9 minus 9. This is equal to 0 over 0, and this is not equal to 6. So we have that x is not equal to 3. And this in essence, this means that there is no solution. There is no solution to this algebra problem. In other words, we have an empty set. We have an empty set. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and kindly subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye for now.